away they go. Spanish runs from the outside. Liza's Magic in between runners. Donori inside. Gold Money about to be also rushing up. Senor G Black Label. Proud Legacy, Friendly Fire, Matini Idol. Inside the last 800, Liza's Magic by about 3 lengths. Spanish runs. Senor G by Drell on the outside is about to be Black Label, Gold Money, Proud Legacy, Matini Idol, Friendly Fire, and rounding the far turn, Liza's Magic by about 5 lengths. Followed now by Spanish Rams in second. And Donori inside. Senor G as they race the final corner. Liza's Magic by about 3 lengths. Followed by Senor G. Black Label, Spanish Rams about to be Matini Idol, Gold Money. And nearing the finish line. Liza's Magic, Senor G. Donori inside. Black Label. It's Senor G. Black Label. And finally, Senor G. Black Label. Liza's Magic about to be Matini Idol and Gold Money for your